The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Janner, an Illinois attorney. In this video, I will be walking you through how to fill out a 14-day demand letter to a landlord to make repairs. This form is from the Illinois Legal Aid website, and what you fill out may look slightly different depending on where you receive it from, but it should contain the same basic information. As always, this video is not legal advice and is for educational purposes only. A tenant who needs repairs in their unit should first notify their landlord. The landlord gets a chance to make the repairs. If the law or the lease requires the repair, the landlord has 14 days to repair the condition unless there's an emergency. There may be a shorter time frame. The letter should be signed, copied, and sent via certified mail. First, you will enter the date, the landlord or property manager's name, and their address. Next, you will want to put the landlord or property manager's name here on the dear line. Then you will want to enter your full name and your full address. This little paragraph is just stating that you're notifying the landlord that the repairs that are listed on this form need to be repaired and that they are required by the municipal code, and failure to make the repair means that they're in violation of the law or your lease agreement. And this section here, you will want to list the repairs that are needed on the blank lines in the middle of this page. If the landlord fails to make repairs and the tenant hires someone else to make the repairs, the tenant must send a copy of the bill to the landlord. That would be after the 14 days that is given by this notice to the landlord. The person the tenant hires must be licensed and insured professional. The cost of the repairs must be $500 or less, or half of the monthly rent, whichever is less. So if your monthly rent is $1,000, $500 would be equal on both sides of that. If your rent is more than $1,000, then it would be the $500 or less. You will want to check your local law or speak to an attorney before making repairs, because local laws may allow a different amount of cost for repairs or require you to report the issues to another organization, or the laws may be different depending on what type of housing you live in. This section here is just stating that you're giving the landlord 14 days, and if they do not make the repairs in the 14 days, you are going to hire that professional to repair the problems. And then again, saying that you will send them the bill for how much the repairs cost you. Lastly, you will want to sign your name and provide your telephone number. That is all for this form. Thank you for watching. To learn more, you can visit our page linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.